Are you looking for a truly exceptional property? Perhaps a sensational, luxurious penthouse with spectacular views of the Mediterranean? Then this property in the bustling coastal town of Boaz has to be on your shortlist. Nothing else on the market comes close in North Cyprus, providing aspirational high-end seafront living uniquely blended with urban chic, remarkable design flair, and unparalleled levels of finish. This property is in a class of its own. 6 of these shimmering seafront buildings, located at the heart of the area's affluent waterfront, are all completely sold out, with very few ever becoming available for resale. Owners can access stunning indoor and outdoor pools, a bar, gym, spa, sauna, steam room, tennis court, gardens, and a children's play area. Plus, there's the potential to deliver an extremely high rental income. With 5 double bedrooms, it can sleep up to 12 people, generating as much as £250 per night in peak season. At an asking price of £695,000, this property provides a fantastic return whether you want to invest financially or improve your quality of life.